Now let's add login. Inside auth controller, create the login method. First, we validate the request. We only need the email and password, nothing else. Then we try to find the user by email. We use first, not firstOrFail, because we want to control the error ourselves, not let Laravel throw a generic 404. This is the important part. We check two things in one condition. If the user does not exist, or if the password does not match, we throw a validation error. We use hashcheck to compare the plaintext password against the hashed password in the database. Notice, we throw validation exception, and we attach the error to the email field. We do not want to tell the client whether the email exists or the password is wrong. We only say the credentials are incorrect. If everything passes, we create a token and return it exactly like we did in the register. Now, register the root in api.php. Open Postman and create a new post request. In the body, we only need the email and the password. Send it. You get a token back? Now try the wrong password. Laravel returns a validation error on the email field. One thing worth understanding about how Sanctum handles tokens. Every time a user logs in, a new token is created. We can register and log in. Next, we protect a root and prove that the token actually works.